Opera 4 over damage in Cordell last night. That tornado 2 football fields wide, leaving a path of damage more than 2 miles long.
The National Weather Service saying it was an EF1 tornado with winds of 110 miles per hour. News 4's Natalie Clydesdale has the latest on the cleanup there.
It was crazy. I've never been that close to one.
Chaos ripping through Cordell Tuesday night. Danny Schmidt was wrapping up a shift at Western Welding.
You could see the roof starting to lift up just a little bit and the lights were swinging.
Meanwhile, about 1.5 miles north, Sherry Spradlin and her husband were taking cover in their safe room.
A big boom, maybe like his pickup hit the front of the garage or something like that.
Minutes later, they stepped outside and saw the destruction. Well, last night's winds were so powerful that 2 sheds that were sitting right here blew about 50 feet over here. Now they're toppled on their side, and everything that was inside the sheds is now scattered across the yard.
I think most everything got broken.
Spradlin says her husband mostly stored tools in his shed, but inside hers was holiday decorations and keepsakes from her late parents.
Most of my mother's stuff that was breakable was what I had kept, and it's all pretty well gone. So I did find a Bible of my dad's, and it appears to be fine.
Over at Western Welding, its carport collapsed, the garage doors damaged, and part of the structure was uprooted.
That wind, it just picked up this whole back area just a little bit and shifted it.
However, the city's just thankful that no one was seriously hurt.
We're fine. Our neighbors are fine. You hear people say it's just stuff and you think, yeah, but it's my stuff. But then when it happens to you, it is just stuff. It really is.
In Cordell, Natalie Clydesdale, Oklahoma's News 4.
And that community really needs help too. City officials are asking for donations of hammers and nails to help clean up there. And we also got more details about how to do so at KFOR.com.